vibrant culture came to be? Today, we delve into the early history of this fascinating country, tracing its roots back to its discovery by Europeans in 1498. The story begins with the arrival of Christopher Columbus, an intrepid explorer who set foot on the South American continent on his third voyage. He found a land rich in beauty and diversity, a place that would soon capture the imagination and greed of European powers. The Spanish quickly moved to colonize the region, drawn by the promise of gold and other precious resources. The indigenous people, however, were not so easily conquered. They resisted the Spanish invasion fiercely, leading to a series of conflicts that would last for centuries. As the years wore on, the Spanish grip on Venezuela tightened, but the seeds of rebellion were already sown. Enter Simón Bolívar, a man who would become a symbol of freedom for the entire continent. Born into a wealthy family, Bolívar was deeply influenced by the ideas of the Enlightenment. His vision was a continent free from the yoke of colonialism, a dream that would set the stage for the War of Independence. Bolívar's leadership, along with the resilience and courage of the Venezuelan people, eventually led to the defeat of Spanish forces. The War of Independence was a long and bloody affair, but it resulted in the birth of a new nation, the Republic of Venezuela. The establishment of the Republic marked a new chapter in Venezuela's history. It was a time of hope and promise, but also of challenges. The young nation had to navigate its way through political instability, economic hardships, and social upheaval. This tumultuous past laid the foundation for a country that, despite its challenges, has never lost its spirit. Venezuela's history is a testament to the resilience and determination of its people, who have managed to maintain their cultural richness and natural beauty amidst adversity. It's a story that continues to unfold as Venezuela charts its path towards the future. A new chapter in Venezuela's history was written with the discovery of oil in the early 20th century. This black gold, gushing from the earth, transformed the nation's economy and society in ways no one could have anticipated. The oil boom brought an influx of wealth, turning Venezuela into one of the richest countries in Latin America. Cities blossomed, infrastructure grew, and the standard of living skyrocketed. The nation rode the wave of prosperity, with the economy expanding at a brisk pace. It was a time of great optimism and progress, a period fondly remembered as the Venezuelan Saudi. However, the very source of this prosperity soon became the cause of economic turbulence. The dependence on oil meant that the nation's fortunes were tied to the volatile global oil market. When oil prices soared, so did Venezuela's economy. But when they plummeted, the economy followed suit. In the mid-20th century, a significant shift occurred. The government nationalized the oil industry, creating the state-owned company Petróleos de Venezuela, or PDVSA. This move aimed to ensure that the wealth generated from oil would benefit the Venezuelan people. Yet, it also meant that the government's revenues became almost entirely reliant on oil exports. The subsequent decades saw periods of economic growth and decline, largely dictated by the ebb and flow of oil prices. The nationalization of the oil industry, while well-intentioned, failed to diversify the economy. The oil sector's dominance left little room for other industries to develop, creating a mono-economy susceptible to the whims of the global oil market. The economic turbulence that followed has been challenging. Hyperinflation, economic contraction, and a decrease in living standards have plagued the nation. Yet, amidst these trials, the spirit of the Venezuelan people remains unbroken, their resilience a testament to their strength. The oil boom was a double-edged sword, bringing prosperity but also economic instability. Understanding this complex relationship between Venezuela and its oil is key to comprehending the nation's past and its present. Fast forward to the 21st century, what does Venezuela look like today? In the heart of South America, Venezuela stands as a testament to both challenges and triumphs. The country has faced its share of trials in recent years. Political upheaval has become a constant, with a divided government and international disputes casting long shadows over the nation. The economic landscape, too, has been a battlefield, marred by hyperinflation, currency devaluation, and shortages of basic necessities. Life for Venezuelans has been shaped by these struggles. Every day, they navigate the complexities of a fluctuating economy, often standing in long lines for basic goods. Access to healthcare and education has become a luxury for many, rather than a right. Yet amidst these trying times, there's a tenacity that's distinctly Venezuelan. It's in the way they adapt and innovate, finding new ways to sustain their families. It's in the way they rally, standing up for their rights and voicing their hopes for a better future. The challenges Venezuela faces have not dulled the nation's spirit. Instead, they've highlighted the resilience and determination of its people. Venezuelans carry a fierce pride for their homeland, a place of stunning natural beauty, from the towering peaks of the Andes to the sun-soaked shores of the Caribbean. And the culture, oh, it thrives. The music pulses in the streets, salsa rhythms echoing in the night. Art is a lifeline, a way to express, to resist, to dream. Food is a celebration, a fusion of flavors that tells a story of a diverse and rich heritage. So yes, Venezuela faces significant struggles, but it's also a nation of unyielding resilience where the human spirit shines brightly against the backdrop of adversity. It's a place where culture and pride rise above the challenges, painting a vibrant tapestry of life. Venezuela today is a study in contrasts, a country facing significant challenges, yet brimming with an unbroken spirit and a rich culture. But beyond the headlines, Venezuela is a country filled with incredible scenes and hidden gems. Want to discover them? Let's start with Venezuela's myriad of stunning natural landscapes. The country is home to Angel Falls, the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, standing tall at an astonishing height of almost 1 kilometer. But that's not all. The country also boasts the awe-inspiring Mount Roraima, one of the oldest geological formations on Earth, often shrouded in a halo of clouds. Now, let's talk about Venezuela's unique wildlife. The country is home to the endangered Orinoco crocodile, one of the longest crocodilian species in the world. Moreover, it hosts the flamboyant pink river dolphin, a creature as unique as it is enchanting. And birdwatchers? They're in for a treat. Venezuela boasts the Andean condor, the king vulture, and the scarlet ibis, among many others. But Venezuela isn't just about nature. The country's vibrant festivals are something to behold. Every year, the dancing devils of Yair take to the streets in a vibrant display of faith and tradition. Participants don intricate masks and costumes, transforming into devils to pay homage to the Blessed Sacrament. And let's not forget about the country's delicious cuisine. Arepas, a type of bread made from cornmeal, are a staple in Venezuela. They are usually stuffed with a variety of fillings, from cheese and ham to avocado and shredded beef. And for dessert, try the quesillo, a caramel-flavored custard that's a favorite among locals. In terms of must-visit locations, don't miss out on the idyllic Los Roques archipelago with its crystal-clear waters and pristine white beaches. For a dash of history, the colorful colonial town of Coro, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a must-see. These hidden gems, coupled with the indomitable spirit of its people, make Venezuela a country truly worth exploring. So, what have we learned about Venezuela today? We've journeyed through the birth of this vibrant nation, tracing its roots back to a time when indigenous tribes roamed its lush landscapes. We've seen how it evolved, shaped by the hands of explorers and colonizers, and how it finally claimed its independence, standing firm and proud on the world stage. We've also delved into the era of the oil boom, a period that brought both prosperity and turbulence. It was a time when Venezuela's economy skyrocketed, becoming one of the wealthiest in Latin America. Yet, this wealth was not without its challenges, as the country grappled with economic highs and lows, navigating the tricky waters of wealth and poverty, growth and recession. Then, we explored the current challenges and triumphs of Venezuela. We've seen the resilience of its people, their strength and determination in the face of hardship. Despite the struggles, the spirit of the Venezuelan people remains unbroken. They continue to face each day with courage and hope, a testament to their indomitable spirit. And who can forget the hidden gems we've uncovered along the way? The breathtaking landscapes, the rich biodiversity, the cultural treasures tucked away in every corner of the country, from the towering peaks of the Andes to the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean, from the bustling city life of Caracas to the serene beauty of Canaima National Park. Venezuela is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. To sum it up, Venezuela is a country of contrasts, a land where beauty and hardship coexist, a place where the echoes of history blend with the vibrant pulse of the present, a nation marked by resilience, rich in culture, and filled with undiscovered wonders. Venezuela's story is one of resilience and beauty, a story that continues to unfold. It's a place that, once visited, leaves a lasting impression, a testament to its rich history, vibrant culture, and the indomitable spirit